Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming the exact error message and Directx version on your PC. Press Windows key plus R, type DXdiag, and open the Display tab for DirectX 12 details. Note the manufacturer and driver version shown by DXdiag so you can compare after fixes. Next, open Windows Update and check for pending updates that might include runtime files. Finally, create a quick system restore point before making changes to allow safe rollback if needed. Download and run the Directx End-User Runtime installer from Microsoft and choose Run as administrator. Allow the installer to add missing runtime DLLs and follow on-screen prompts until completion. After installing Directx, download the latest GPU drivers from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel based on your hardware model. Install drivers with the Express or Clean options, and then reboot your machine to ensure drivers and runtime files register correctly. If problems persist, run system repairs to restore corrupted runtime files. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano to scan and repair system files. Then run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix component store corruption and support Directx repair. For stubborn driver conflicts, use Display Driver Uninstaller in safe mode for a full GPU driver cleanup. Finally, reinstall drivers, reboot, run DXdiag again, and launch the.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.